Hello. Welcome to Miss Jackson World of Fun. Hi, this is Mrs. Jackson, and today I'm just going to show you how to upload a memoji video to your Google Sites. Now, in order to do this, you do need an iPhone. Of course, that's step one. But after you create your memoji video, and if you don't know how to create one, then I will do another video and show you how to create one because it's really cool. But I love to use the memoji videos just to send messages out to my parents and my students, and I think it's important because it's kid friendly and kids love things like that, you know. And especially right now while the kids are being at home, this is a really great idea to really connect with your students. So the first step is get your memoji. Hello. So now that I'm in my memoji form, what you are going to do is you're going to send this video to yourself. So you're going to email it to yourself. And after you email it to yourself, as you can see on the screen, you'll click the email. All right. When you click the email, you're going to download it or, attach it to your computer and make sure you name it. So the next step would be to go to your Google Drive. Once you get to your Google Drive, you're going to hit New. Then you're going to go to File Upload. Once you go to File Upload, you're going to search for your file. Whatever you named it, that's what you're going to search for, okay? And then you're going to hit Upload, and then it should upload. So while it's uploading to your Google Drive, you want to search the title name in your search box, and you'll see it on this page by itself. Then right now, it's going to take a long time. So maybe go make some coffee, maybe watch a show, read a book, spend time with the family, do something because it's going to take a long time. Maybe 15, 20, 25 minutes. It just depends on your computer, your internet, and how long it's going to download, okay? So now you'll go to your Google site. And when you go to your Google site, what you're going to do is open a text box. And when you open your text box, you'll see Drive on the side right there on the screen. When you click the Drive, type in your title again and it'll upload right to your text box. And then you'll have your video uploaded and ready to go. Just move the video anywhere you want it, anywhere you like, and then you should be ready to go. And always make sure you're able to unlock it. So that's the end of this video. But what I mean by unlocking it, make sure it's accessible for everyone to use it, okay? So everyone could press play on your video. So this is how you take your memoji video and you use it on your websites. You can use it anywhere you use it for your lessons, PowerPoints, whatever you choose to use it in. All right. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for tuning in to Miss Jackson's World of Fun.